Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve business intelligence with Domo, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what business intelligence, or BI, entails within your organization. Recognize that effective BI aids in data. Domo is a powerful platform that can enhance your BI efforts significantly. First, sign up for a Domo account if you haven't already. Navigate to the Domo homepage and click on the Try Domo for free button. Set up your account by entering the required information and verifying your email. Once your account is activated, log in to access the Domo dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the user interface, focusing on the navigation panel. Next, import your data sources into Domo. Click on the Data section in the navigation panel. Select Connectors to browse available data source connectors. Choose the appropriate connector for your data source, like Google Analytics or Salesforce. Follow the prompts to authorize Domo to access your data. Once connected, Domo will begin pulling data from your source. Review the data under the Data section to ensure everything imported correctly. Now it's time to create visualizations using Domo's tools. Navigate to the Card section to start building new visualizations. Select the Create Card button to choose the type of visualization you want. Options include tables, graphs, and charts to represent your data effectively. Utilize Domo's drag and drop feature to arrange your data fields easily. Customize your visualizations with filters and color coding for better clarity. After designing your visualization, save the card to your Domo workspace. To make your findings actionable, share your cards with your team. Use the Share feature within the card options to send insights directly. Encourage team members to interact with the visualizations. Regularly monitor your BI performance using Domo's built-in alert systems. Set alerts to notify you of important changes or trends in your data. Explore Domo's collaboration features to discuss insights with your team directly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.